My name is Taylor. I've been cooking for all my life. I've really always just liked food. I was that kind of kid that would wake up in the morning and before I even had breakfast, I'd be asking my mom what's for dinner. My mom's side, she's Israeli, and so when my grandparents would come to visit, they would bring all this really interesting food and recipes, and I would always want grandma's cooking, and yeah, that's a nostalgic thing for everyone. But I would come home from school, and first thing I would say to my grandma, I would be like, I'm hungry. And what grandma doesn't like hearing that? I discovered when I was about 16, working in my first restaurant job, I was really close to not wanting to do it anymore, and then one day I started cooking on the line, and that was it. I went to the culinary arts program at Maui Community College in Hawaii. It really changed my life, I feel like. But then returning back to Colorado, I got my first head chef job in a French provincial restaurant, and ended up at Beverly's for the last 6 years as their sous chef, and I learned a lot about what it meant to interact with the guests and getting to see how the guest experience works at that level has been a really great exposure for me, and I've taken a lot of those lessons and I'm starting to apply those to here at Tito's. I'm Taylor Wolters, and I'm the executive chef at Tito's Italian Grill at the Coeur d'Alene Resort.